Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to demonstrate whether the GreenTint problem got fixed in the iQOO 7 device with a recent update or not. In the iQOO 7 device, few of the users are actually experiencing the GreenTint problem. Not all the units, only few units will be having this kind of problem. And after the recent software updates, there has been a lot of questions asking me that whether the problem got fixed or not. Because some of the users, they want to buy this phone right now in the 2022. If you're that kind of user, if you're willing to buy this phone, make sure you use my links in description to buy the iQOO 7 device. And right now this is the latest update which I'm trying to run, 1.74.3 update. After this update, let's see friends what's happening with the GreenTint problem. Is the problem got decreased or not? That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Let's go back to the settings. I'll try to use the dark mode. So we need to use the dark mode and try to use in the low brightness, and I need to turn off the lights as well. And under certain conditions only you will be able to see this kind of GreenTint issue. So this is not a big issue, I would say. Maybe for some users it might be disturbing, but some users, they're kind of okay with this kind of issue. And as I said, this is not happening in all the units. Only in few units this kind of GreenTint problem will be visible. Always remember this one sentence. I'm not saying all the phones will be having, only few phones. And let's see friends, out of those few phones, I was one of the lucky number to get this GreenTint issue. So let's start the test without wasting any time. Let me to turn off the lights. So right now, as you can see friends, this is iQOO 7 device which I'm trying to use exactly. This is a model which I'm trying to demonstrate in this video. And right now you should be able to see the GreenTint prop effect which is going on. In some of the locations you should be able to see. On the top of the notification panel, sometimes you will be able to see. Even on the lock screen as well, you will be able to see. As you can see, this is the GreenTint sometimes. If I try to select the black color wallpaper, you will be able to see much more. It will be visible, and you can see the lock screen as well. What's happening with the lock screen GreenTint kind of thing. And after the Android 12 update, some of the users, they did mention that the problem got fixed, but I'm not sure because I did not receive any kind of Android 12 update at this moment. Unfortunately, I cannot confirm you that, but I need to wait for the Android 12 update friends. And this is the Google Chrome browser which I'm trying to use. I cannot find much in the Chrome browser at this moment. Only much visible on the lock screen and some kind of black in the background if you try to use in the low brightness mode. In the settings, I'm trying to show you the settings as well. What's happening with the settings? Somewhere around this kind of point, you will be able to see this kind of GreenTint, green shift will be there. In some brightness, let me increase the brightness. Now it's gray color, so it should be in the gray color, but you can see that kind of transition which has happened from black, from gray to green to black in this area, some kind of little bit. And some other applications you might be able to see it in the YouTube maybe. Sometimes try to observe on the near the front cam on the top. Little bit will be there. And there is one more method to avoid as well. If you try to use a low brightness anti-flickering, sometimes maybe this might be able to decrease a little bit kind of flickering effect. Right now, as you can see, there is nothing much flickering is happening at this moment. As you can see friends, the flickering effect is not there at this point. Even let me to open the YouTube application. As you can see, flickering is not there. On the lock screen, let's see about the GreenTint. On the lock screen, still the GreenTint is kind of visible, but if you try to use the fingerprint icon only, then it will be visible. If you don't use any fingerprint to unlock, then definitely the GreenTint will not be visible that much. You can see, still on the lock screen. Even on the wallpaper as well, here and there you will be able to see some kind of GreenTint problem on the lock screen. Right now I did try to select the complete black color wallpaper. As you can see, right now you will be able to see a lot GreenTint. If you try to use a black color wallpaper, exactly you'll be able to see on the lock screen. That's a lot of try to observe the transition how it's kind of changing. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this a quick demonstration on the GreenTint problem in the iQOO 7 device. It's not a major problem, definitely it's kind of a little bit kind of problem. Maybe with the Android 12 update the things might be slightly kind of better. That's what I'm expecting. But let me know in the comments below friends, in case if you're experiencing this kind of GreenTint problem in your iQOO 7 device or not. I just want to see how many of the users are actually having this kind of problem and they're actually experiencing it. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll stay tuned for updates. Bye.